All right, just cut up my beautiful mountain whitetail. Got the new Mainframe II with a Brooks 3500 and our new pack lid. I'm going to show you I could do a whole deer on this mainframe pretty easily. We got a short pack out and it's cool out, so I'm not worried about having the quarters in individual bags. So I do have 2 quarters in each bag, and then the loose meat, I've got that rolled up and tied up nice and tight. So you're just going to unclip and then unzip your Brooks. So you're going to unclip there. You're going to take these beefy gatekeeper clips on pack lid, and you're going to unzip. Now you're going to unzip your Brooks. This would be a similar process with almost any one of our bags. Unbuckle and or unzip. Just like that. Put it to the side. The new Mainframe II has 2 integrated compression straps, which this isn't even all the way it'll go out. It's got plenty for up to moose quarters. Might need to test it on a bison again. Take one of these bags and do the bulk up high. One of these bags, the bulk low, and then the loose meat up high. Make sure I kind of thread that through loops on these, and anywhere else I can ensure that it's just going to stay over the bag. You really want to make sure you do this evenly, otherwise your load's going to tilt one way or the other. That's one. Make sure this one's really focused on this bottom one. I'm still getting that top bag as well. Okay, now this one's only got the one strap and it's got this loop. Now it's pretty tight, and this shelf is kind of what helps make sure it sits there. But what we can still do with our Brooks so I can take this bag, and again I can take these straps that are on the side of it and just make sure it's going through loops on the game bag or just over the game bag itself. Your bag acts as almost like a utility panel to keep this meat on. So I've got the Brooks here, somewhat, everything's just slightly tight. I've got it perfectly center. This is a big thing that I see in a lot of pack out videos or photos, and people ask, as far as like centering it, you just want to make sure you're kind of standing over this pack little by little, and almost like how you'd put back on a tire. You go one across, one across. You want to keep this even too. So I'm going to do the center straps first, and I want to make sure I've got about the same amount of tension and that pack stays perfectly in center of this meat. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom ones. Now the top. But now I got the pack perfectly even over the meat. Now it's not going to shift around. we're gonna get the head on top with the lid over it. We've got an entire deer on the new Mainframe II. So, and that is a whole deer on my back. Not like I could do this for a crazy amount of time, but we've just got a slide uphill, good trail, and just about 2 miles. So, but we are gonna get back up to Carson's buck, get that all loaded up, and we'll be both coming out heavy.